ekipa, šta radite? Evo nas ovdje u Las Vegasu uživo, nije bilo lako, ali smo došli, stekli nova prijateljstva, utisci su neverovatni, jednostavno morate da dođete. Imamo Eiffelov toranj ovdje, znači nismo u Parizu, ali tu je, imamo struju zahvaljujući Nikoli Tesli, imamo prelep hotel koji je veći od Korintije, imamo divne ljude, imamo divne lidere. Hoću da vam kažem jednu stvar, da ja sam imao neko prethodno iskustvo, ovo je totalno preokrenulo mi ceo svet. Nisam spavao uopšte danas, znači niti ću spavati i hoću da iskoristim svaki trenutak jer ovo su momci, ovo su lideri koji su stvarno uticali na mene za ovih par dana. Hoću da vam kažem da je ovo dečko koji je izuzetno posvećen putovanjima, uživanju, uskoro i poslu, znači to je Viktor iz New Jersey-a, formira svoj tim ljudi, rade, imaju treninge, idu na edukacije i hoću ovo nešto više da vam kažem o svemu tome, na engleskom naravno, mi ćemo to razumeti. Victor, please.
Hey guys, this is Victor Cardona from New Jersey. You guys have an awesome leader here in Vlad. He's shown me the ways, he's been doing this, he's been killing it. I'm just admiring his leadership as we speak, and I just feel privileged to be around him. And here's the deal, guys, there's no way we could have done this unless we've come to the national events, the international events. We come here, you do a small investment to come here, but you get to see the big picture of what this company is all about. You get to see the heart of the founders, the heart of the top leaders, and I've met this guy, we hit it off right and forth. He's a leader. I'm planning to be a leader. We're already working it. I've been in the business since October, doing fairly well. Waived my fees within the first few days. This is an awesome experience. I can't tell you how excited I've been and how huge this is. I mean, there's about 4,000 people from 21 different countries here just to take a look at what we're doing as a company. I mean, this company is going through momentum as we speak. In the last 3 months, we've almost tripled our memberships. So guys, you guys have to be here. Lock arms with Vlad. He's taken this company all over the world. He already told me, yeah, it started in Slovenia, but we're going everywhere. We're going all over the world. There's no limits, no language barriers, no color barriers. And you guys better lock arms with him and be at the next event. Millionaire Bootcamp Journey, be there and be square. So I'm gonna pass Vlad back the mic, and it's very simple, guys. The tagline of the company is "You should be here." You should definitely be here. So be here at the next event. I think it's in a few months. I don't know when you guys are doing it. I think it's in Greece.
In June.
In June. So be here, guys. Be here with Vlad and the leaders all around the country. Take it easy. Rock and roll, baby.
Thank you, Victor. I just want to say something that Victor is an amazing guy, that there is many guys like him, not like him, but similar, because he's one and only. And I want to say that this event made me think different, made me feel different about this company. I met all the leaders, almost all the leaders, founders of the company, and I can tell you just that everybody should be here, and that everyone work here, everyone will get IMD someday. So next event, total focus, and guess what? You should be here.
Take it easy, guys.
Thank you, guys.